Go put the label. Ay, which one is Indonesia?
Indonesia. Yun.
The next one, Egypt. Egypt.
Galing naman niya kayo ba?
Egypt. First Egypt. Lahat tayo alam mga ano ng vlog.
The next one.
What's next?
Pakistan.
Pakistan. What's next? Anong kulang?
Which one is missing?
Wow.
Here. Is it the big one? Okay. Next one.
What's next?
Galing na yan. Hindi mo alam yun ano.
Australia.
Next.
Yun. France. Finland. Germany. And then Russia. And then Malaysia. And then what's next? What is UAE? Galing. Wala nang space eh. Mami will put it here na lang. Oh yan, wala nang space. Okay, go.
That is
Africa. What is missing?
surprise.
South Africa. Good job. Galing. UK, United Kingdom, and then Bangladesh. Bangladesh, good job. Ireland. Hindi ko rin alam kung baliktad doon. Ireland. And then, what's next? Belgium. Brazil.
Wait lang, lumipad.
Galing ni Ethan. What's that?
Italy.
Italy. Italy. Italy.
Okay, next one.
Italy.
You're looking pala eh. Kasi yun ang donor eh.
Next.
India.
That's India pala.
Pala eh.
Bhutan.
Bhutan. Yun. Alam ni Mami yun.
Yan ninang ay Nepal.
Nepal.
Nepal. Because of the triangle. What's that? Galing ng utak mo ah.
China.
And
China.
then the last one is
Where's Dad?
that is in where is don't joke around. Go directly to
Charan!
Canada. You sure? Hindi pa pinato. Good
Where's
job,
Dad?
bro.
Whoa, high five, Mom. Good
Ape.
job.
Galing yan.
Galing
The flag word is missing. Ninang can write it out na lang.
Good job.
No.